Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change yourself into a cartoon in a Snapchat video. So in here, what you need to do first is of course open the app. So click on Snapchats, and this is I'm using the back camera because I don't want to show my face. So if you want to find the cartoon effects or filter, you can just here click on one of the effects, and after that it will be shown. Let's click on the search column at the bottom. This one's right here at the top, the bottom right corner. Let's search for cartoon in here. Type in the keyword cartoon, and then you can just select the one of the cartoon effect. I'm going to use the first ones right here. Find the face, so I'm going to just use this one for example, and as you guys can see here, it will be changed into a cartoon, the person that's it's on the camera. Let's try the second ones in here, and you can see it will change accordingly. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.